Some car accessories look amazing but end up wasting your money. Today we're comparing the worst car accessories against smarter upgrades every driver should consider.
This cheap dashboard phone mount constantly loses grip and can become a distraction while driving. A magnetic vent mount offers a cleaner setup, stronger hold, and better visibility.
Decorative steering wheel covers often prioritize looks over grip and safety.
An anti-slip ergonomic cover improves comfort and control on every drive.
Fake hood vents may look sporty, but they provide absolutely no performance benefit.
An OBD2 scanner gives real-time vehicle diagnostics. This can save money on repairs.
Budget LED bulbs often create dangerous glare and uneven road illumination.
OEM-grade LED upgrades improve visibility while maintaining a safe beam pattern.
Most air fresheners only mask odors. They work for a few days before fading away.
A cabin air purifier helps remove odors, dust, and airborne particles.
Cheap chrome trim stickers rarely age well and often peel over time.
Wireless CarPlay brings convenience and a clutter-free driving experience. Basic tire gauges can be inaccurate and inconvenient to use. A smart tire pressure monitor keeps you informed in real time.
Fancy valve caps may look cool, but they add little practical value. A portable inflator can save the day during unexpected tire emergencies.
Oversized accessories can reduce visibility and create distractions. A dashcam protects you with reliable video evidence when it matters most. Fake exhaust tips add appearance, but deliver zero performance improvements. A compact jump starter can prevent you from being stranded.
Cheap seat cushions quickly lose support and become uncomfortable.
Memory foam support provides lasting comfort on long journeys. A quality USB charging hub keeps every device powered efficiently. Overdone interior lighting often becomes more distracting than useful. Low-quality cameras can make reversing harder instead of easier. An HD camera system dramatically improves reversing visibility. Poorly designed organizers often create more clutter than they solve. A quality trunk organizer keeps everything secure and accessible.
Cheap sunshades wear out quickly and provide limited protection. A quality sunshade protects your interior and keeps temperatures lower.
Fake carbon fiber stickers often fade and peel within months.
All-weather floor mats protect your vehicle and preserve resale value.
Novelty gear covers may look fun but rarely improve functionality.
An emergency escape tool is one of the most valuable safety items you can carry. The smartest upgrades are the ones that improve safety, convenience, and reliability. Which accessory would you choose?
If you love automotive technology, subscribe to Gear Focus Plus for more easy-to-understand car tech videos from around the world.